द चड्डी मैन आया है।
चड्डीमान, चड्डीमान, चड्डीमान।
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज जाते हैं मेरे गैरेज वाले के पास जहाँ पे मैंने मेरी SRV दी हुई है। सो देखते हैं कि उसने अब तक क्या क्या काम किया हुआ है। मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 2 से 3 दिन में वो रेडी हो जाएगा। सो लेट्स गो देयर एंड चेक इट आउट। Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to show you the SRV that I have. That's the Chevrolet 1.6 engine. So what I liked about this car was the design and the power of the engine. So from front, when you see, it looks more like a Optra Magnum, but when we go onto the rear, so on the rear, it does not have the dicky, or it's not a sedan car. It's between sedan and a hatchback. This design, I really liked it, and Chevrolet had got this car in 2006. So this one is the 2006 April model. It was ahead of times. I guess if it was launched recently, then it would have been a successful car. But ठीक है, Chevrolet is no more in India. They are not selling their cars in India, but they are manufacturing and exporting. I still get parts in Nikhil Automobiles, that's in Koperkene. Many people have questions about the parts and availability, which I did not face anything because it's just nearby my place. I have driven almost 72,000 kilometers without any issue. I have also put CNG in it. It's better than the normal petrol, because on petrol I get 6 kilometers ka average, but when we talk about the CNG one, I get around 120 kilometers with the full tank. That's 10 kg of CNG. That cost me around 510 rupees. In 510 rupees I can drive 120 kilometers in city, and when I'm on highway I get around 180 to 200 kilometers. So when I talk about the Chevrolet SRV, the best part is it is down to the ground and it is not above. So the ground clearance is less, but I feel more confident when I'm driving it at a higher speed. And if you see, these ACs are very good, one of the best in the segment at those times. This music system is an aftermarket one which I had recently put. That's an Android China one that costed me around 9,000 rupees, and rest everything is stock. If you see the seat covers here, if you see, these things I have changed matching to the seat. So I was just shooting the SRV. This is what you had seen earlier in the previous part, and Shanmukh and Danish had helped me. So here is Shanmukh.
Peace.
Shanmukh, और कुछ?
अभी कुछ नहीं.
Zoom out करो.
Zoom out नहीं करना है. Zoom out नहीं करना है.
तुम लेट क्यों आए? Why were you late?
मैं लेट नहीं आया, तुम लेट आए.
मैं आ गया था, तुम बोले चाय पी रहा है, ये पी रहा है.
देखा, चाय पीना इज प्रायोरिटी.
अच्छा, टाइम पे बुलाओ और फिर लेट कर दो.
देखो अपने
ये है वो लेट लतीफ, हमेशा लेट आता है.
गर्लफ्रेंड से बात कर रहा हूँ, उधर देखो उसको.
चलो हम जाते हैं दानिश के पास. So this is Danish who has helped me for the video. और दानिश भाई कैसा लग रहा है?
बारिश कम चालू बंद हो रहा है यार. क्या करें.
चलो चले.
चलो, हो गया आपका वीडियो शूट.
द चड्डी मैन आया है.
चड्डीमान.
चलो, ending this video over here. You can follow me on my Instagram ID, that's silentbiker_KV. Bye bye. और शनमुख भाव,
बोलो सर. भाई साहब
किधर लेके चल रहे हो?
भाई साहब मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. चल वहाँ जाते हैं. कहाँ? वहाँ जाते हैं. अपना ही क्या अड्डा है.